I'm using under 8 Pro bot to trade odd. The first run, it's a profit. I'm using a stake of 15 USD. Under 8 Pro bot is the best bot of the year, and it's found at derrickstraders.site. The best bot, so I'm waiting for the second run. Second run is a profit also. Remember, I'm trading odd. As you can see, this transaction is odd. Loss, it has appeared. So I just want to recover. I'm waiting it to recover, and then I close the bot. It's the best bot. If you have not used it, go to derrickstraders.site and look for under 8 Pro bot. It has an entry point, and also it has where you can put the number of francs. Yeah, I stopped the bot. This 50 USD met successfully. Let us meet next year now. Yeah, remember, it's Derif President was trading odd market using under 8 Pro bot. It's the best bot, and it's found at derrickstraders.site. Use it to trade odd, use it to trade even. It's a very amazing bot. Try to use it and you'll see the result.